spinach or palak is blanched and then cooled and ground together with green chillies, coriander, and kept aside. All spices and sliced onions are sauteed before adding in chunks of mutton. Spices, ginger, and garlic are also added together with sliced tomatoes. The meat is then pressure cooked. Once cooked, the gravy is set to simmer so it can thicken. And finally, the ground green spinach or palak paste is added together with the fenugreek and garam masala. Let's start by making the paste. I'm going to blanch 150 grams of cleaned spinach or palak and I'm going to set it aside to cool. Reserve some of this water for later. Once cool, I'm going to add it to my blender jar together with 5 green chilies. I'm using Thai chilies and they're quite spicy. You can use less if you like. I'm also going to add 1 cup, approximately 50 grams of fresh coriander leaves. Grind this to a paste. I've wiped down my Instant Pot and it's in saute mode. Add some oil and I'm going to add in some whole spices. I have 2 star anise, 2 black cardamoms, 4 inches of cinnamon, and 5 cloves. Next, add in 2 cups of sliced onions. Allow the onion to soften and then I'm going to add in 2 pounds of mutton. Notice that this has some bones. This will make for a very flavorful gravy. Allow the meat to sear a little bit in the oil. Next, add 1 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, and salt to taste. Allow the meat to get coated in the spice powders. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and saute the meat again. Next, add in 1 cup of sliced tomatoes, and 1 cup of water. I'm just using the water that I blanched the spinach in. I'm now going to close my Instant Pot and set this to pressure cook for 30 minutes. If you're using a stovetop pressure cooker, you can just cook it for 3 whistles. This is now ready. Typically, if you use an electric pressure cooker like I am, it builds up a lot of steam, so I'm just going to put this back on saute mode so I can thicken the gravy. Finally, I'm going to add in all of the spinach or palak paste. Add 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek or kasuri methi and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Cook this for a few more minutes and then garnish with coriander and green chilies if you dare, and it's ready to enjoy.